This one tool will put thousands of dollars in your pocket, or keep it there. Let's take a look. What's up, Sparkies? Today we're going to take a look at what has got to be one of my favorite new tools. I picked this up a few months ago after another electrician recommended it to me, and it has been an absolute game changer. This is the Klein RT390 Circuit Analyzer. And guys, this thing is amazing. It could easily replace every other plug tester you carry and gives you so much more information to give to your clients about what's going on in their homes. So let's talk about what this thing actually does. So as you might expect, the Circuit Analyzer functions just like a normal plug tester, telling you if the outlet is wired correctly or not, as well as if it has power, but it will also tell you exactly what the voltage is. So if there's a loose neutral, you're only getting 90 volts or something like that, this will let you know. In addition, it will also test GFCIs just like most other plug testers. However, this also will tell you how long it took for the GFCI to trip and how many milliamps of current it took. If either of these fall outside of manufacturer guidelines, you'll know it's time to replace the device even if it still trips. Now for the industrial guys out there, there's also a 30 milliamp GFCI test function, but we never really use that in home services. Now, here's where the tool gets really cool. You can also test arc fault protection with this thing. If you ever struggled to troubleshoot with an arc fault protected circuit and you aren't quite sure how to rule out a bad arc fault breaker or rule out a legitimate arc fault, this is the tool to do it. Just pick an outlet and give it a test and it will simulate an arc fault condition on the circuit. Now, I will warn you, I have tested this out on standard breakers and it can cause some power disruptions, flickering lights and such. So you'll definitely want to make sure that you're using this on a circuit that actually is arc fault protected. This is a super nice feature and I'm so glad I have this tool for those kind of calls. But that still really isn't why I carry this tool around everywhere. Where the magic really happens is this load button. Guys, this load button single-handedly makes this tool worth every penny. This button will simulate a load and calculate the exact voltage drop at that point in the circuit. Now, some of you might be thinking, voltage drop is something you don't really need to worry about unless you're running it hundreds of feet away, right? That's not true. If you think of voltage as like the pressure in a water line pushing the current through, it can obviously drop over long distances, but it can also drop every time you put a kink in the hose. So every time you add a connection, a wire nut, an outlet, a switch, a light fixture, whatever it is, I almost guarantee you will see some amount of increased voltage drop on the other side of that connection. Now, obviously, the better the quality of the connection, the smaller the drop. But that's what makes this tool so useful. It's not at all uncommon for me to walk into a home that's 15 to 20 years old with backstabbed outlets, plug this tester in, and see an increase of 1 to 2% of voltage drop per device on the circuit. In fact, I'd say that almost every home I go into with backstabbed devices, it's almost guaranteed to have a significant portion of the outlets running with 10% or more voltage drop. Now, for reference, the NEC recommends no more than a 5% drop at any point on the circuit. Now, I've been in older homes with particularly worn out devices where I've seen as much as 20 to 25% voltage drop when you put a load on them. Guys, that is straight up dangerous. Now, I probably could have talked to the clients about the various drawbacks to backstabbed outlets, how they're more likely to fail, but now I have some concrete evidence that I can show them to explain exactly why I'm concerned about their outlets. This can take the discussion away from, in my professional opinion, your stuff is old and definitely needs to be replaced with my new stuff, and shift it to, your outlets are creating a hazard, and here's how I know. Now, this isn't a sales video, but finding out ways to communicate relevant information in a simple and easy to understand way will always allow you and your client to make a more informed decision. I can personally testify that this tool has helped me make better recommendations to my clients and close more work in the process. So, will you be adding this tool to your belt? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.